morning, everybody. It's Miss Street here with kindergarten to talk about some math. And I'm excited to be here with you this morning. I hope you're awake and happy. I went outside for a little bit and it's a little bit nippy out there, people. It's a little cold. So make sure you put on a hoodie before you go outside, okay? So today we're going to Miss Street. I tell you guys, let's see if you can get this problem. So Miss Street changed her clothes this morning 1:10 and one time. Anybody know how many times Miss Street changed her clothes this morning? 1:10 and one time. Yes, the nickname for that is 11. And then I'm just having a crazy hair day too. I mean, it's real, people, but it's okay. So today we're going to look at, actually we're looking at K.O.A.1 and O2. And Miss Street went ahead to make sure with the plans that your teachers have made for you for next week when we give out the packets and just anything online you're going to be doing. So I want to make sure I'm following that so we're all on the same page. So we are still going to work on adding and subtracting within 10 with an unknown. And remember, it could be a part unknown or the total is unknown. So this is huge for kindergarten. So we're going to spend a lot of time on it. But first, what are we going to do? We're going to Subitize. That's right, people. I've got a fun song here for us. You may not recognize it. I didn't recognize it either, but it's fun and we're going to love it. Are you ready? Here we go. Maybe. Oh dear. I can do this. Come on, Miss Street. You got this. Ready? 3 seconds. Here we go. Blank? No. Oh, it has a value. What is that value? 0. Don't leave 0 out. Ready? Ready? 4. 2 and 2. That's right. 4? Didn't we just see 4? You can see 4 different ways. How cool is that? And my music stopped, so I guess that's time for us to stop subitizing. Woohoo! Good job. Okay, so I want to show you parents something. So kiddos, this is for you, but I mean, it's really for your parents. And I'm going to attach this picture in the comments for this because in kindergarten, they are really working within 4 problem types. And really, it's all about the parts equal total. But they have 4 types that they're really working on. It's an add to, result unknown, a take from, result unknown, put together, take apart, total unknown, put together, take apart, both add-ins unknown. Whew, say that 5 times fast. And it gives you examples, real simple examples of what those problem types are. And I think and the work that you're getting ready to get next week, it's going to have a lot of these kinds of word problems in it. But the biggest thing your kiddos need to know is parts equal total, okay? So here we go. I've got one I want to do with you this morning, and I've got all my different ways to solve this. So, because kiddos, you can do this lots of different ways. You don't have to use a number line. You don't have to use a tens frame. You might want to just draw it, and I'll show you can do that too. Kiss your brain. You're so smart. Okay, here we go. Our good friend Maria. Do you have a friend named Maria? I do. Her name is Maria Ellis. She taught 1st grade at Glenwood for a long time. Maria is putting flowers in a vase. She has 3 white flowers and 4 yellow flowers. How many flowers does Maria have? You can show your thinking with objects. That's That's what we call concrete, even though Zeb said that's not really concrete. That's things that we can put our hands on and touch it and feel it and play with it. With pictures, that's what we call representational, or with numbers, okay? Or words. You can use words too. All right, so here we go. Maria is putting flowers in a vase. I'm going to start with my tens frame. So if we were, hold on, Miss Street's having a moment. Oh, dear. Okay, we got this. Jesse took his cheese balls away from me. That's what I was using as my stand. So I've got a new stand I'm having to, Okay, I think we're stable. Okay, so, anywho, Maria is putting flowers in a vase. She has 3 white flowers and 4 yellow flowers. So Miss Street, my tokens, I have red and yellow. So I'm just going to use red and yellow. I don't have white, but that's okay. So she has 3 white. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3. She has 3 white. Can you subitize and see that 3 there? Awesome. And then she has 4 yellow flowers. There's 3 white and 4 yellow. So these, I'm going to use red for yellow. Just go with it, people. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many flowers does Maria have? Can you see it by subitizing? 3 and 2 and 2. 2 and 2 is 4. 4 and 3 is 7. Good job. So let's see if we can do this with our parts equal total bar model. And parents, your kiddos are not, they don't have to really draw this or know it this way, but if you modeled it for them this way, it really, really, really works and helps them solidify their learning, and it helps them to take this on up to 1st grade, 2nd grade, and so forth. So here we go again. We're going to read it again. Maria's putting flowers in a vase. She has 3 white and 4 yellow. So am I missing my part, or am I missing the total? Let's read our question. How many flowers does Maria have? We're missing the total. So we know we have 3 on this side. And Miss Street was looking, I need to make sure when I'm doing this part with you guys that I'm putting them in a way that you can actually subitize with them. Because the other day I noticed I was putting them like all like, and it was really hard to see. So here I have 3, and then she has 3 white and 4 yellow. 3 white, 4 yellow. And I'm going to make sure with my parts equal total that I make the 3, I know because we've been working on comparing numbers in kindergarten, that 3 is less than 4. So I'm going to make sure that I kind of show that on my bar model. And so then what do I need to do to find my total? Yes, I have to add. So I can either bring these all up here or I can match them. And I've got enough to match them. So I've got my 3 up here. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can count them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or I can say 3 and 4 is 7. And next is the number line because that is fun. So Maria has 3 white flowers. So our number line is huge for this. So hey Gloria, hey Robin, hey Sadie, hey Maddie, hey Dewey. So we can use our number line. So if she has 3 white flowers, number lines are huge, parents. We say 1, 2, 3 white, and then she has 4 yellow. So we just keep going. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. And what do we see here? 7. She has 7. Hey, Anna. Miss Street's glad you're here. Okay, so now we are going to, I'm going to show you how to show your thinking. So which way did you like best? Did you like doing it with a tens frame? Did you like the bar model, the number line? I even have my vertical number line game here to use because that's also going to be part of your assignment next week. I think you're getting the materials to do that. And again, if you don't have counters at home, Miss Street's just using little fruit chews. I've had these fruit chews for a couple weeks now, so the boys know not to eat them. They better not eat them. Anyway, so you can use your vertical number line to do this as well. So let's say I'm going to do the vertical number line. This might not be pretty, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I don't want to forget what? Never leave out 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I can use my colors. I really don't have white, but I can say 1, 2, 3, and then I can use a yellow to color in the next. So I have 4 yellow. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And so my total is 7. I can use numbers. So my equation would say 3 plus 4 equals, and I'm going to draw a pretty flower because I'm looking for the total number of flowers, and this means that my total is unknown. Miss Poplin, they've ate all my chips and everything. No more fruit chews. Okay, so the flower represents my unknown, which is the total. So 3 plus 4, we know is, what is it, Anna? 7. So Maria has 7 flowers. And real quick before I sign off, can you see my work? Yes, I hope you can see my work. I want to show you too, you don't have to use all of these things. You can actually even just draw. So if I were to say Maria has 3 white flowers, I can say 1, 2, 3, and we can make them flowers if you want to get fancy. Boys might just want to make circles. Girls might want to make them real pretty. We have 3, and then she has 4 yellows, so I can draw 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm not going to keep going with that, but I could make those flowers too, so I can just draw the picture, and that's a great way to do it too. So we've got our number lines that we can do, our bar model, our tens frame, or we can just draw pictures. So kindergarten, I hope this has helped you. We're going to work on this some more tomorrow too, because like I said, for kindergarten, this standard is huge for you guys to be able to know and understand, to be able to do before you move on to the big first grade up in the sky. Woohoo! So I'll be back with first grade at 11, I believe. And we're going to be working on some first grade skills. So join me if you want to. We'll have lots of fun. See you soon.